Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for electric bike and scooter enthusiasts. The WEIYINGSI 14X2.125 Tubeless tire. This tire stands out as one of the best options available for 14-inch wheels in the market today. Let's start by highlighting its key features. The WEIYINGSI 14X2.125 Tubeless tire is specifically designed for electric bikes, e-scooters, and electric folding bikes. Its tubeless design ensures hassle-free riding with reduced risk of sudden air leaks, offering peace of mind on urban roads. With a durable rubber construction, these tires are built to last. They boast excellent anti-slip properties, ensuring a secure grip on various road surfaces. The directional tread pattern enhances stability and maneuverability, making them ideal for navigating through different weather conditions. Durability is another strong suit. These tires are crafted from wear-resistant materials, ensuring a longer lifespan even under intensive use. Moreover, they feature a self-sealing ability that prevents immediate air loss upon minor punctures, enhancing safety during rides. Installation is straightforward, suitable for both front and rear wheels of 14-inch electric bikes and scooters. Before purchasing, it's crucial to verify compatibility with your specific wheel size, marked as 14X2.125 on the sidewall. In conclusion, the WEIYINGSI 14X2.125 Tubeless tire is a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their electric bike or scooter's tires. With its robust build, reliable performance, and enhanced safety features, it truly stands as one of the best 14-inch tire options available today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. See you next time on Product Critique.